Hi, my name is Mr. Mansky, and I'm going to go through an example of working with volume of a rectangular prism, and we're going to solve for one of the sides. So here's the question. It says, given the length is 16 meters, the width is 10 meters, the volume of the rectangular prism is 480 centimeters cubed. Find the height of the rectangular prism using the formula the volume equals the length times the width times the height. Alright, so the first step we need to do is let's define the variables. Okay, now in the problem they gave us the length. The length is going to represent L, which is going to equal 16 meters. They gave us the width, which is going to be W, which is going to be 10 meters. They gave us the height, which is going to be H. Now, actually, they didn't give us the height. We're solving for that. We don't know what it is. They did give us the volume, which is going to equal 480. Oh, I'm sorry, these are in centimeters. My apologies. And that's going to be centimeters cubed. Okay, so we're going to solve for the height. Alright, so we're going to need the formula. So let's take our formula to find the volume. Okay, so the next thing we're going to have to do in step 2 is use the formula V equals length times width times height. Now, we have to take the information that they gave us. What did they give us? Well, they gave us the length and they gave us the width and they gave us the volume. So we can put those three values in. So we could say 480 is got to equal 16 times 10 times the height. Now, if I wanted to calculate 16 times 10, I can go to my calculator. Again, if you can do this in your head, that'd be great. But 16 times 10 is 160. So we're going to say 480 is equal to 160 times the height. Now we're solving for the height. We need to get rid of that value. Now in math, what we could do is we could divide both sides by 160. That's kind of the quick and easy way to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take both sides of the equation and we're going to divide both sides by 180. So we're going to insert symbol and we're going to divide by 160. We're going to take 480 divided by 160. Okay, so if I do that to the left side, I got to do that to the right side. So we're going to Okay, so what's going to happen on the left side, let's do the calculating. We're going to take 480 divided by 160, and that's going to equal 3. So we're going to put 3 over here. And then on this side, what will happen, what happens is the 160 and the 160 will cancel each other out. So you're just going to left with H equals, whoops, and it's centimeters, okay, which is our final answer, because That's our answer. So there are any more steps there. So if you have any questions on that, let me know. My name is Mr. Mansky. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Take care and have a nice day.